Opposition benches questioned the Power Minister about the frequent failures of power supply in the state. The opposition brought to the notice of the House that Kankan Industrial Estate alone witnessed 344 power failures over a period of 3 months, which has caused heavy losses to the industries already struggling to survive. BJP legislator and MLA of Kankana constituency, Vijay Paikot, stated that the power failures in the industrial estates have gone up, which hampered the industrial production in the state.
आणि दुसरे लाईट जर इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटी परत जर वचपा लागली आणि हे जावपा लागले जाल्यार इंडस्ट्री हरशें आमचे इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट पडले. हांव पयरू उलयता आसतना सांगलें हांगा की इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट काणकोण चलना म्हणून. तातूंत हें आनी एक एडिशनल कारण जावन पडल्या की इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट बंद पडपाचें. इतलो फावर फेल्युअर जर तुमचो जाता स्टेटी भितर आनी इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटी भितर जर जाता जाल्यार इंडस्ट्री चलप कश्यो आनी हाजेर तुमी आतां कितें करतले सांगा म्हाका. आनी हें तुमी उत्तर जें दिल्लें हें उत्तर बी सारकें ना, ताजेर तुमचें एक्शन कितें सांगा म्हाका.
Minister of Power Alexio Sequeira, in his reply, stated that the state was facing shortage of nearly 100 megawatts of power.
As of today, from our normal sources of power, we are running short of 100 megawatts of power. Your thermal units have been shut down for annual overhauling. The one unit at Ramagunda, one unit at Korba, one unit at Vindhyachal, one unit at Tarapur, one unit at Kakrapur. However, we have bought on an emergency basis power from Kavas and Gandhar. We bought power from there.
Mr. Court brought to the notice of the House that frequent power failures were not because of lack of power shortage but was because of poor maintenance and lack of government support. Leader of the opposition Manohar Parrikar also brought to the notice of the Power Minister that the state was likely to face acute shortage of power in the coming years as the state was totally dependent on the neighbouring state of Maharashtra. Parrikar urged the minister to come up with a plan to attain self-sufficiency in power.
Maharashtra is reeling under massive water shortage and drought almost. दोन गजालीचेर आमकां डायरेक्ट इम्पॅक्ट येतलो. वन इज पावर, बिकॉज युअर पावर इज कमिंग थ्रू कोराडी चंद्रापूर line. They are going to overdraw because agriculture is going to need that water pumping. And number two is milk. That is already short. आमी ह्या सगळ्या गजालीचेर कितें तरी उपाय योजना करता काय कितें, कारण आमची लायन तुवें कितेंय केलो जाल्यार इट कम्स थ्रू महाराष्ट्रा. They are going to overdraw. They are in bad shape.
The Power Minister assured to seek the assistance of the Leader of the Opposition to rectify the shortages of power in the state.
We have to get allocations from somewhere. And if I am willing to seek guidance and assistance from the Leader of Opposition, I have no ego issue. If one is willing to offer a solution.
You ask your Chief Minister, he was a very good Power Minister.
I was going to say, Speaker, sir. My Chief Minister has taken it up with the Power Minister in Delhi also. We are constantly seeking enhancement in allocations, and I'm sure shortly we shall get some.